Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, a treat for mosquitoes. First of all, you should understand what does it mean when we say a treat for mosquitoes. A treat means a special food or drink that causes special pleasure or delight. And what will be that special drink for mosquitoes? It is a blood. And if we give it treat to the mosquitoes, we are definitely going to suffer. So in this chapter we are going to learn about mosquitoes spread diseases and in detail about malaria, its symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and prevention. Then about nutrients of food with special reference to minerals. About anemia, its symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and prevention. Then reading a pathology report also. Then we know the contribution of the scientist which special reference to Ronald Ross. Then about flies spread diseases. About algae and water weeds. Other things in water. Then cleanliness important for health. And a project work make a poster to create awareness about malaria. So let's start our chapter, a treat for mosquitoes. First point is blood test. So there is the conversation going among the children about mosquitoes, blood test and about malaria. Rajat had been absent for many days. He had a fever. He had to take a bitter medicine. He even had a blood test and came to know that he had malaria. We have fever in many diseases. So let us try to know some more details about fever in malaria. That is the symptoms of malaria. When a person suffers from malaria, he will have chills and rigors. Chills means cold and rigors means shivering. Then he will have high fever, then headache, then nausea means feeling to vomit. Vomiting and diarrhea, muscle pain and weakness and sweats profusely. Then symptoms of malaria. The cycle of fever goes like this. It started to feeling of cold and shivering last 15 to 16 minutes. Then high fever from 102 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit lasting 2 to 6 hours. Third one is headache. Fourth one is nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Then number 5 is muscle pain and weakness. Then and at the end the fever drops rapidly. The patient sweats profusely over a period of 2 to 4 hours. Fever and sweating last 4 to 6 hours. Then fever occurs every 2 to 3 days. When Rajat had a fever, he went to a doctor. As I told you that we have fever in many diseases. So to find out the actual cause of fever, doctor suggested a blood test. For blood test, a needle is pricked in finger. It feels like an ant bite. Then take 2 or 3 drops of blood on a glass side and send it to testing in lab. The doctor observes it under a microscope. You can see in the picture, this is the microscope. And in next picture, Dr. Mariam is looking at the blood slide under the microscope. This microscope makes things look thousands times bigger. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. So a microscope is an instrument used to see magnified images of two small objects. It cannot be seen through naked eyes. That's how he came to know that he had malaria. Now, how malaria is detected? So they could see the germs of malaria in blood sample. This is the blood sample which was collected on glass slide. On observing under a microscope, they could see these germs which are of malaria. and this is the pathological report of this blood test. So look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? So let us first read the report. Name Rajat, age 11 years, sex male, diagnosis fever with chills and rigors. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned in the report that malarial parasite has been found in the blood sample. Rajat was diagnosed with malaria. Now let us find out that from where did the malaria germs come into his blood. Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. All mosquitoes look the same, but there must be some difference. Look, all the mosquitoes look the same to us, but all are different. Here are some common mosquitoes. Number 1, female Anopheles mosquitoes, female Aedes mosquitoes, and female Culex mosquitoes. But why all female mosquitoes? This is because the males do not feed on blood. Only female mosquitoes feed on blood. Male mosquitoes only eat flower nectar, and female mosquitoes eat both flower nectar and blood. A male mosquito's antennae is much bushy. A female mosquito's antennae are less bushy. So let us find, do all mosquitoes spreads malaria? Only female Anopheles mosquitoes carrying germs spreads malaria. When a female Anopheles mosquito bites a malaria patient, it takes the blood with germs of malaria and becomes infected. When this infected female Anopheles mosquitoes carrying germs bites healthy person, the germs are injected and released into the blood of the healthy person, and the healthy person gets malaria. When the blood test confirms that a person is suffering from malaria, then he is given medicine for malaria. Now let's see medicine for malaria. From early times, the dried and powder bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier, people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patients. Now, tablets are made for this. So, you can see in the picture, this is the cinchona tree. Then in second picture is bark of cinchona tree. Third one is, this is the bark dried, and these are the tablets. So we'll see in next video, that is prevention is better than cure.